Now, let's move to problem number 7 and how we solve it. Most contractors learn this one the hard way, after losing real money. Imagine you enter a running race, train for months, show up in your best shape. What nobody told you, one of the runners has already won this exact race 4 times. That's bidding blind against an incumbent. You bid $2.1 million. Solid number, you think. What you didn't know, the same company has held this contract for years and just renewed it at $1.8 million for the 4th time. Your price was too high, and you never even knew why you lost. Here's exactly how Sambid fixes it. Before you bid, you can pull up who actually won contracts like this one before. Same industry, same agency. You see what they were paid, what certifications they hold, and how many times they've renewed. So instead of guessing a number, you're bidding with real history in your hand. No more finding out about the incumbent after you've already lost. And I'll show you in the dashboard exactly how this works. Here's exactly how Sambid fixes it, mechanically. This information already exists publicly on USASpending.gov, but nobody has time to dig for it manually. Sambid automatically matches the active opportunity you're looking at against that historical award database, using the same NAISC code, the same agency, and the same contract type, to find prior awards for this exact kind of work. It surfaces who won it before, the exact amount they were paid, what certifications they hold, and how many times the contract has been renewed. You see the real price and the real competition before you spend a single hour on a proposal, so you can decide with facts instead of guessing. Okay, I just showed you the race analogy, bidding blind against a company you never even knew existed. Now let's actually look at how Sambid fixes that, one piece at a time, using the real page. Step 1. Here's our Find Contracts page. Let's go to Who Won Contracts instead. This opens the Past Award Analysis screen, and right at the top, there's a small notice. It says Research Only. These contracts are already awarded, and if you want the open ones you can still apply to, that's a different page, Opportunities. So this page has one job, teaching you the history before you bid. Step 2. Right below that, you see your NAICS codes as quick tabs, the codes already saved to your company profile. And under that, there's a box where you can type in any other NAICS code you want to research, even one that isn't yours. Step 3. Let's click our main code, 541511. The moment you do, 3 numbers appear. Total past awards, 100 contracts. That's how many times this exact kind of work has been awarded before. Average award value, $199 million. That's what people typically get paid for this. Total contract value, almost $20 billion. That's the full size of this market. Step 4. Right below that is top agencies awarding contracts. Department of Defense, 49 contracts. Health and Human Services, 12. General Services Administration, 9. And it keeps going agency by agency, so before you even pick a contract, you already know exactly where the real demand is. Step 5. Now scroll down to All Past Awards, 100 total, 5 pages. Each card shows the contract, the agency, the date it was awarded, and the dollar value, right there in green. Some of these are massive, over $1 billion each, and you can page through all of them. Step 6. And if you want to dig even deeper into one specific award, there's a direct link. View on USASpending. One click and it takes you straight to the official government record for that exact contract. Step 7. And right at the bottom, there's a How to Use This Data section. It breaks it down in plain words. Pricing. Use the average award value to price your bid competitively. Competition. See which agencies award the most in your space. Timing. Understand seasonal award patterns. And agency targeting. Focus on the agencies that award most often in your NAICS. It literally tells you how to use every number you just saw. Step 8. So now think back to that race analogy. Instead of just showing up and hoping, you already know who's run this race before, how many times, and what price actually wins. You're not guessing a number anymore. You're bidding with real history in your hand. And here's exactly where this lives. This is the past award analysis page right inside your dashboard under Who Won Contracts. The Naics codes, the 3 stat numbers, the top agencies, the full awards list, the how to use tips, it's all right here on this one page. Now, before I go, my whole goal with this channel is to make your path to actually winning opportunities on SAM.gov easier, one real problem at a time. So if this helped you, hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, and it genuinely helps this channel grow. And drop a comment below. Tell me if you've ever lost a bid to an incumbent you didn't even know existed. I read every single comment, and your answers decide what I cover next.